brassback butcher pair. He's a nice one, ain't he? Still molting a little bit. One of the last one to molt in. Here's another Sweater McGinnis Gray and brassback butcher. I love this cross right here, boy. These real fine birds. Right here we got a Sid Taylor Blueface gifted to me from Bailey's Game Farm. I ain't real crazy about the breed, but we'll check him out for a while. Here's one. It's the first time I've had him out since I put him up off the yard. Some of them are so identical, you think I'm showing the same roosters over and over, but I got 8 of them. I like these right here. They're brassback butchers and Sweater McGinnis Gray. This dude right there is sharp. Red Irish Powell, brassback butcher. He a nice rooster. See, look at this guy. I can throw him down right in the middle of the thing. I can go right up to him. Pick him right up. That's what you call a good rooster right there now. Yeah, he's a little fat, but these old brassback butchers are something else, boy. Right here's a good stag. A little dark. Brassback butcher and silverback red fox. Yeah, here's some beautiful brassback butchers.